cleaning the heart, making it ready to accept the call of Allah, ready to accept the call of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this is the most important. You see it in the Quran, you see it in Hadith, you see it in the talk of awliya and salihin and ulama. It is the heart, cleaning the heart, making sure that you have the heart that is going to be reflecting what is coming from Allah and what is coming from Rasulullah. And once you have that heart ready to do, then you are in the right path. You will be doing what Allah is asking you to do, and you will be avoiding what Allah has forbidden. And this is the taqwa that Allah requested us to abide by. Dear brothers and Muslims, this is an opportunity for all of us to review our situation. Review every single person here, review our situation. Where we stand. Where we stand now. Because based on where we stand now, our position will be where we stand hereafter. True. If we are here in this world, we are close to Allah. We are doing what Allah is saying to us to do. We are avoiding what Allah is instructing us to avoid. We are going to be pleased hereafter. There is no doubt about it. Because Rasulullah ﷺ told us that. Because Allah in the Quran states very clearly, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Those who are doing good, the believers who are doing good, what Allah is going to give them paradise. There is no doubt about it at all. We are all sure about it. Now what is left on us on this, the last part of our life, whatever it is, whether it is days or months or years or whatever it is, 20, 30, 40, 50, is going to expire. And this life which is unknown to all of us, what we have to do is really to stick to the clear instructions of Rasulullah.